What's the meaning of coma? Coma. Coma.
Coma. Coma. Coma is a state of prolonged unconsciousness where a person cannot be awakened and does not respond to stimuli. It occurs as a result of severe damage to the brain, often due to injury, illness, or substance abuse. In a coma, the brain's normal functions are severely impaired, including the ability to think, move, and communicate. The individual may appear as if they are sleeping, but they are unable to wake up or respond to their environment. Comas can vary in duration and severity, and recovery is dependent on the underlying cause and extent of brain damage.